So, can I start question? Are you ready?
Yes, sure. Yeah.
Okay. So, first question is based on technology.
Okay.
Okay. Um, First of all, you are in which domain?
So basically, I'm in a software development domain. So basically, I work on the desktop app development.
Okay. Okay. So, which kind of technology do you use? Like cybersecurity and software development or data science or something else?
So basically, I use the software development. So I am working on the C++ right now.
Okay. Do you use AI or ML, or your company is using AI or ML?
Uh, Not that much right now.
Okay. Uh, if you work something on any other project, which kind of tester do you use for testing or debug?
Tester in terms of.
If you are doing something project related to
Mhm.
coding,
Okay.
there is thousands of line of coding. Okay, so there is a lot of error in that. So to debug the errors, which kind? How do you use to debug the error?
So basically, currently in my job, we use Visual Studio. So basically, it has an on debugger inside it. So basically, you just have to put the breakpoints throughout the code, and you can see the variables value any part of time. So like you can go through line by line, and it will show you the values of the variables, like where it is going, getting changed, or where it is getting assigned the value, and that's how you debug the code. But in the college time, I used to add the print statement after each and every line, or after some few lines of the code. So that's how in I was debugging my code in my college time. But after that, I get to know with this Visual Studio debugger. Then we are using it only. Yeah.
Okay. So in your college life, which technology do you use or which language do you prefer to us guys to prepare to be point to your level?
So basically, if you just want to go with the data structure and algorithms, now you can go with the C++ or Java. Basically, I think C++ is like more fast in terms of compilation and all these things. So that's why I prefer that. Yeah, Python is also good, but I think C++ will be more appropriate for the data structure and algorithms learnings, like because you will get to know the basics of the core programming, like object oriented and memory management and all these things.
Does cloud computing help you in your job life?
Currently, we are not using, but I think in next 2 or 3 months we are shifting to the cloud computing. So yeah, definitely it helps.
Okay. Now I'm going to switch to Vrushti. Yeah, Kirtika, continue.
So basically, I am working with a product-based company. So basically, we don't have such kind of projects, but we basically have releases each quarter or each 3 months. So basically, we'll need to prepare some kind of research. Basically, we don't do this. Basically, our manager or product manager did this research, and he will convey us to the what we have to do in this quarter or in this 2 to 3 months of development time. So basically, we we are working with a new features every release. So can you just repeat your question, like what you want to ask? Okay. Okay. So basically, what happens, like whenever a new requirements come from the client side for a given topic. So basically, first we wrote a document, which will we called it a product requirement document. So basically, it contains the information like what is the objective of that, what are the some assumptions will be there when you are building that feature. Also, there will be some uh, architecture planning of that code or that feature. Also there will be some testing plans, and also you will get signed it off by different teams like developer team, design team, also sales or application guys. And after that signed off, like there are so many changes each and every time. So after completing the each and every changes and getting put on the good comments, after we close the document and we start building on the feature. Currently we are looking for an intern, but yeah, it's for like 24 pass out. Basically 23 pass out it is also okay. Hello, good evening. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute.
Nice.
Arey yaar. Just a minute.
No problem. Night issues.
Hmm. Do you need to complete this in one window only?
Continue now. We don't need your face. Continue.
I think I can, but I don't know how.
लाइट बंद करी देजो नहीं तो फाइन जाएगा
Done, done.
Okay, you guys can continue. Yes.
लाइट बंद करी देजो समझाई से लाइट बंद करी देजो जाओ दो
I think there is some connection issue with your network, Kritika. I'm not able to hear you. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
अर्चना जो ये अरे पहला फुसफुस में लगा कैसी सत्ता में लाइट
Sorry, but still there is some network issue. I'm not able to hear you properly. Can you just switch off your camera so that the bandwidth will be okay?
Okay, no problem. Smith, you continue. She will be covering it.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So my question is, how does your company prioritize diversity, equity, and inclusion within the IT department?
Sorry, can you just repeat your question?
How does your company prioritize diversity, equity, and inclusion within the IT department?
So diversity, I don't like. Basically, we look for the skilled person. The gender doesn't matter. Like if it's basically we look out for the skilled person. Like there is no thing. Currently, we are not anything like okay, we'll have some females program or something like that. But I don't know like what will happen in future. And basically I'm currently like junior most full-time employee in my company, so some of the things I might not be knowing, like what is going on about the equity and all these things.
Okay, then how important is networking in the IT industry? And what advice would you give for the building a strong professional network?
Network is, yeah, networking in terms of like meeting new people's, I think you're working talking about,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
basically I think networking is one of the like most important thing in your like IT career or whatever career you are choosing. But yeah, networking is one of the most important things. You can go and reach out to the people on the LinkedIn. You can go reach out to your seniors what they are doing. Yeah, these are the some different ways also you can reach out to another people's, like randomly you go to some company, just ask like is there any open company like open position for the junior intern or something like that, or just you can talk to different managers, just a casual talk. You don't need to like every time ask for the open positions or something like that. But yeah, you can just have a casual talk, like you can discuss over the tech stack or what they are doing and what's your skill, what they are looking for to have a open position. Yeah, that this is how you grow your network with different managers or different senior peoples who are having a good amount of experience in the IT field or any career field.
Okay, then how do successful IT professional approach challenges and failures, and what lessons can one learn from this experience?
Yeah, basically challenges, like you will definitely go through the different challenges, but yeah, so basically when if you are working with some IT company and they give you some problems now, so basically you just need to break the problems in the small chunks, and then you find the problem of each chunks, and then you combine it so that it will be more easier for you to come up with a solution which will like work. And challenges, yeah, definitely challenges will come in your life. So basically, you just have to work hard for that. There is no option. Like you just need to be a consistent enough to prove yourself sometime. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. So, Kritika Vrushti.
I think she's still not audible. Still not audible. Just switch off your camera. It's okay. Just switch off your camera. I think it will be good. Hello. Yeah, now it's coming fine. Archana, can you just mute yourself?
Okay.
Yes. I think your voice is still breaking. Can you just connect to another network or something like that? Yes. Yes, yes. Now it's audible. Yeah. So basically, challenges. I think basic challenges like problem solving skills. So I think most of the companies looking for a problem solver rather than go like the guy who is having a good experience of some technology, but he'll prefer more towards a guy who has having a good problem solving skills. So basically, like you need to you need to consistent enough, like consistently you need to solve the problems online platforms like lead code or code forces, hacker rank, these different platforms. Like you have to continuously working on it, like just solve some two to three problems or one two problems every day, and that's how you learn the problem solving skills. Yeah, so basically it's a time consuming thing. Like basically you need to invest some 6 months 1 year, and then after that you will get the result of that. So basically consistency, I think, is the main key to some any of the challenges or any of the problem. Wait, I think still there is some network issue. Yes. Yeah, it's good. So basically, if you are talking about the technology, then like IT field is like what I can say. It is evolving each and every year or each and every 5 years. So basically, you just need like continuously learning, or what I can say. You just need to be a more flexible in terms of learning new things. This is the way to like switch over some new tech stack or some new career life also. Yeah, learning flexibility is the one of the key to changing changes. I think yeah, is teamwork or the collaboration is one of the important tasks. Basically, like one person can't do everything. So when the different minds come together, you'll come up with some good solutions. So basically, it will help you, your team, your company, or the user to get some new solutions to their problems. Also, sometimes it may possible that you'll get conflicted with your thoughts with your colleague or your teammates, but yeah, it's a part of teamwork. Basically, you'll have different perceptions towards the same things, but yeah, you'll definitely learn something and you'll come up with the most appropriate solution to any of the problem after going with good conversation with your teams and all these things there. So that's why the teamwork or the collaboration is one of the most important thing. Resource in terms of like for what? Resource, what I can say. So resource, I didn't get your point exactly, like can you just elaborate it more? Okay, so I think resource just I don't know like what we can say is basically, yeah, we can do some research over the internet. Like I think there are lots of millions of research work or research, millions of things like you can do, or you have to just propose an idea, and you can. I think these days we are having a AI, so just you need to put your idea and you'll definitely get some good resources for that. And to manage that, I think also you can go one by one, just go through the each of the result, and you can see like which is the best fit for my problem or which will provide me the best solution. Thank you.
Thank you for giving your such time. And in which company you are?
Simiok technology.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ed, for giving your time
Thank
to
you.
us. Thank you. So we end the
Thank you.
meeting here. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.